Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your check-ins on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And here is post with check-in, and to delete this check-in I need to tap on three dots to bring up that menu and here select edit post. Now once information is loaded, I need to tap there on check-ins icon, and here where it's add and place, I need to tap on that cross icon to delete this check-in and then tap done, and now tap save. And if I refresh the page, now I see that check-in was successfully deleted. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.